Hey guys, it's Annette. So today we're going to be doing an organizational video. I'm going to be taking my stickers out of these books. I thought I was going to be able to continue to use the books, but they're just too hard to get the stickers in and out. So I'm going to be doing a dump system situation. I'm going to be putting them in my drawer like this that goes over to these drawers over here. I was going to use this little system. This is just a magazine rack off of Temu, and then I was going to do the dump system in like zippy bags that I had received or that I had purchased off of Temu. But I just decided that I wanted to have my stickers closer to me, and so this is basically right next to my desk. So I think the drawer situation is going to work out a lot better. So anyways, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to get into the video. Hey guys, so here's how they turned out. So I have all these drawers completed with these categories, and then I have these drawers completed with these categories. I'll just go ahead and open a couple of them up. So I did put a couple of these clear acrylic containers in here just to separate out some of the smaller stickers and then the smaller water decals, and I do have them kind of separated out a little bit pertaining to category. Like for autumn, fall, Thanksgiving, I have them kind of in the front except for the full sheet of the water decals, and then in the back I have like my sweater designs back there. And then also for like Halloween, here's breast cancer awareness on that side, and then there's Halloween and the rest. But anyways, yeah, so basically that's what it turned out looking like. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The studio's still looking a mess because I've been unpackaging stuff, going through stuff, reorganizing a few things. I'm getting ready to do my stamping plates and rearrange my stamping cart. So anyways, so basically that is what is going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.